In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF document to Google Docs. Now this is really useful as it will allow you to edit your PDF document. Now it's really easy to do, we just need to go and open up an internet browser, and once you're signed into your Google account, you can click on the square icon in the top right hand side and then go and select Drive. You then need to click on New from the left hand navigation and click on File Upload. Now just go and locate the PDF document that you want to upload. So mine is this PDF document here. Once you have this selected, click on Open. In the bottom right hand side, it will tell you once the document's been uploaded, and you can click on the Show in Folder button next to this. Now if you can't find your PDF, you can also click on Recents from the left hand side and you'll be able to find it from here. Now all you need to do is click on the three vertical dots next to your PDF, click on Open With, and then select Google Docs. As you can see, this is going to open our PDF in Google Documents, and now we can go and edit and change the text of the PDF. If you wanted to re-download this as a PDF, you can always click on File, click on Download, and then you can re-download it as a PDF document. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.